Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we will be looking at a .NET C# library which allows you to convert your PDF pages into images. So we are actually taking this example. This is actually a PDF document which contains 4 pages. Each page we will take a screenshot and convert this into an image in C# .NET. I'm running this Visual Studio 2022 version, and we are actually using this library which is PDF. Let me show you PDFium. Let me just type the name in Google and show to you. It's an open source library. This is the GitHub page. This Google's PDFium. It's a PDF viewer library, and it also supports taking screenshots of individual PDF document pages. So we will be using this library inside our C#.NET project, and we just have this sample.pdf right here. And what we will do, we will actually take screenshots of all these pages which are present and convert this into individual images. We will create this folder PDF images. So if I just run this project, you will see automatically it will create this folder which is PDF images. It will open it, and now if I open individual image, you will actually see that PDF page has been converted to PNG image. This is the first page, this is the second page that you see, this is the third page which is converted to image right here, this is a fourth page. You can just see. So all the 4 pages in the PDF document has been converted to images. We will look at this project. So let's start building it. So I will first of all install this package. So go to tools section and just go to Nugget package manager and then go to manage Nugget packages for solution. And here you need to search for this package inside Visual Studio PDF IUM. This is actually the name of the package. It is almost 1.73 million downloads. So it's a PDF viewer based upon the Google PDFium project. So I've already installed it. So what you need to do, simply click this and simply click install and install it inside your project. So I've already installed it, and now just inside your program.cs, it's a simple terminal application that we are building in C#. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to require these packages. So we will simply say using system.drawing imaging. We need this library, and we also need the package of system.diagnostics. That's all. So these are 2 built-in packages in C#.NET. You don't need to install these. You just need to install that package. So after this, we will simply write here. We will just be creating a class here, namespace. Let me just turn off the GitHub Copilot because it actually creates some code suggestions, so I don't want that. So first of all, I will simply say PDF. I will declare this namespace. Inside that namespace, I will write my code. So it will convert PDF to PNG, and here we'll be having the main class of program, and we will have the main function static void main string arguments passed. So inside this function, we will actually have the PDF file which we need to convert. In this case, we are converting the sample PDF file which is present in the same directory where this project is located. So while you're developing this project, you can click this section of Solution Explorer and right click your project, open folder in File Explorer. So right here it will open this. So your C# project is located in the bin directory by default, and inside your debug directory we have the .NET 6.0 folder. So inside this directory I pasted my sample.pdf file that you can see right here. So you can just reference with any location, you just need to paste the path, but I am storing it in the same directory, so that's why I'm just referring it to sample.pdf just by the name itself. So then we need to create a folder of output folder where all the images will be created. So this folder, let me call this as result. So this result folder will get created in the same directory. So now we will be actually be calling a custom function convert PDF to PNG, and we'll be passing these two arguments. So first of all, the input PDF file and the output folder. So now we need to define this function. So as you can just see, it is saying to us that this function is not defined. So we just need to you can define this function as private static void convert PDF to PNG, and then we will actually take the two arguments. First is the PDF file and the second will be the output folder. So you can see the error has gone away. So we are calling this custom function which takes these two arguments. First is the input PDF file and the second is the output folder. So right in this function, guys, what we need to do, we first of all need to create that output folder if it doesn't exist. So here we need to have a if condition. If the output folder doesn't contain, is not there directory, we can just inside C# we can use this method directory dot exist, and here we can just check in this if condition. It will either return true or false whether this folder exists or not. If it doesn't exist, then it will return false. In that case, we do need to create this directory. We'll call this create directory function, which will actually create this folder in the same location, which is output folder. Very simple code. So you have a if condition. If this directory doesn't exist, just create this directory. So after this, we need to loop through all the pages of PDF. First of all, we do need to read this. So here for this, we will be using the using directory var document, and here we will be using this library which we installed, PDFium viewer, and it actually contains PDF document and dot load. Load function will actually load this PDF file in the memory of this program. PDF file. So you can just see here PDF file, we are referencing the path here and passing it to this load function. So it will actually read all the content of the PDF file, and then we need to loop through all the pages. So we will be running a for loop for this purpose. We will simply say document dot page count. So this document object will contain a property called as, if you see, it contains this page count. So this simply means that how many pages are there in the PDF. So let's suppose 4 pages are there. So this loop will run 4 times from 0 to 4, I plus plus, very simple. So inside this for loop, we will first, again, we will be saying for each page, we need to take the screenshot. So for taking the screenshot, we will again use this document object. It contains a function called as render. So render function will actually take the screenshot of that image. We will put I here as a index variable. So this will repeat for every page, 0 page, 1 second, third page, how many pages are there. And then here you need to provide the width and the height of that screenshot. You can change this to accordingly, but I'm just sticking to 300 width, 300 height, and the last parameter is true. That's all. So after you do this, put a set of curly brackets. So right here, after it took this image, it will actually store this image in this variable of image. Now we need to save this image in that output folder. So now to basically save this image, we will actually use first of all create a variable image path. We'll use the path function inside C# and we'll simply say combine function, and whatever is the path given, which is this output folder name given, we will simply put a comma and then we will simply say $, page and here we can basically put dynamically i.png. So here we are putting dynamic variables in this template string. So whatever it will be, screenshot will be created page 0, page 1, page 2, page 3, like this. So now to save this, we have the image, and it contains a save function. So what this will do, it will actually save this image file at that location. Here we need to provide the location which is present in the image path variable, and then we need to simply select in which format we need to save this file. You can select JPG or PNG inside your image format, and it actually contains either WebP. You can even take screenshot in WebP as well, TIFF, PNG, JPG as well. Let me stick to PNG for now. That's all. That's all that we need to do, guys. Very simple application. We actually call this function custom function. If the directory doesn't exist, we create the directory, then we loop through all the pages of the PDF document. First we load the PDF file, how many pages we calculate, then we render each page, take the screenshot, then we save each image in that location. That's all, PNG image. So now we can run this. So you will basically see in this a result folder will be created. So now as I run this file, nothing happens, but now if I check, you will actually see a result folder should have created. You can now see, if I just zoom in, a result folder has been created. And if I open this folder, now you will basically see page 0, page 1, page 2, page 3. For each page in this PDF document, it has taken the screenshot, and this is actually the first page. You can just zoom in. The quality of the image looks tremendous. This is the first page, this is the second page, this is the third page, this is the fourth page. So for each page it has taken the screenshot, and now the job is little bit easy. If you want to open this image after it saves, you can actually inside C sharp, after this function call, you can directly open this folder after the app has done the work. So now to open that folder automatically, what we can do, we can simply call process.start function. It will start a new process where it will actually open that folder automatically. Process start info, and here you will pass the location, in which location you need to. So here we are passing this PDF file to this function of process start. It will actually take three properties. We need to pass a curly bracket. Here we need to pass here what file name that you need to open. We need to open that output folder. Then we will simply say use uh, use sorry, this is not colon, this is equal to. In C sharp you don't use colon, is equal to, and then we simply say use shell execute. It will be set to true, and verb, it will be set to open, because we need to open that output folder when it actually executes this application. And then what we can do, this is, we can just put a simple line in the console that the work has been done. PDF is converted to images, like this. So now if you let me see, this parentheses are not needed, like this. So if you try this now, it will directly open that output folder. You don't need to manually open it. The application will directly open that destination directory where you can actually see all your images. Now let me change this PNG extension to any other extension. Let's suppose I want it to have JPG. So I will simply select JPG here, and then here JPG. So if I execute now, so you will actually see the files. Let me just delete everything from here. again run this. Now if you see, the extension here will be JPG. If you see, let me zoom in. This is now JPG. Similarly, we can also have WebP as well. So various formats are available. WebP is also there, which is a cool little extension for browser images. So if I again run this, let me delete this, start from again. So now it opens in the browser. You will see it's a WebP image. It runs in the browser. So this is actually this application, guys. All the source code that I used in this video is given in the description. You can get that source code. Thank you very much. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well. And I will be seeing you in the next video.